DeFi is one of the easiest ways to make money in this industry. There is no industry, no investment that you can make money in the same way that you can with your cryptocurrency through decentralized finance. It's a way for you to make an actual cash flow off your portfolio every day. Those of you that watch this channel all the time, you guys know this. You know, it's so funny. I watched a YouTube video the other day and it was talking about dividend investing and talking about how once you get to your first $150,000, you might start making, let's say, $400 or $500 a month in cash flow. That's what the gentleman was sharing in the video. And I might show that on this channel and kind of show you what you can do with DeFi in that situation. But I have the most simple portfolio you could ever imagine right here. It has less than $10,000 inside, and I'll pop this up on screen for you guys. There's $9,500 in here on this wallet, under 10K. A lot of you guys in crypto, you've maybe managed to get your first $10,000 in the game. Maybe it's your first 10K. Maybe you have more than that. It's gonna be even more powerful. But right now, even while the yields are shit, while the yields are down and everyone's bitching and moaning that you can't make money in DeFi, I'm showing you right here a wallet with $9,500 in it that's making a 53% average APR, and it's bringing me in almost $15 a day, which if you're curious what that is a month, that is over $400 a month. And there's people that are like, oh, DeFi just doesn't make sense. You know, you can't make money, or what's the point? It's only $400. It's $400 a month off of the crypto that you already own. Go try, if you don't understand why it's so special, go try to do this anywhere else with traditional finance. You literally cannot. The dividend investor guys, those guys. My uncle is a retired dividend investor stock, so I can appreciate his game and where he came from. He retired, he moved out to Scottsdale, Arizona recently, right? I can respect that game, and I see the value of it. And that's why I see the value in DeFi, because I am getting those dividends paid to me not once every quarter or twice a year, every single day. $15 a day coming off this portfolio. It's coming in at $415 a month in cash flow. And it's off of assets that I'm already holding long term. Assets that I want in my portfolio. And here's the thing too. I'm not this sleazy marketer. I'm not the YouTuber crypto guy that is showing you this APR, this amount of money or whatever. You can make this much, you can retire. I'm not trying to show you 300% screenshots and saying that all you need is $2,000 and you'll make $600 a month. No, this is a $10,000 portfolio. But as you'll see, if you pay attention to my screen, and I'll share it up there, you know, in post and edit, look at my ranges. Look at my ranges. Outside of the 24% wide gold to USDT position, which just ignore that. That's just a little position just to show you it's possible to make, let's see, 13% a year off your gold if you're interested. But anyways, if you pay attention to my ranges, this is so important. There is not a single range under 80% wide. And some of these are asset to asset. So 80% on asset to asset is fucking insane, by the way. It's wide as hell. These assets are correlated. They move together. The asset to stablecoin, 114% wide. I am in this for the long term. That's what you don't understand. You might see flashy APRs somewhere else, crazy screenshots. A lot of these guys either don't know what they're talking about, or it's to entice you into this dream. I'm not selling you a dream. I'm selling you a reality that you can do today. Put your assets to work. Monetize them. This is a little demo portfolio, $10,000 in here. If you have $100,000 in here, this is $4K a month right now. Is $100,000 unattainable for some of you? Maybe right now. For many of you, it's not at all. For many of you, you have more than $100,000 in that portfolio already. And this alone, with $10,000, is $400 a month. And even if that seems small to you for some reason, because you don't realize the gravity of making 50% off of a crypto portfolio, this is fucking huge, by the way. This is fucking huge. But that $400 a month compounds into the portfolio. It buys you more of the assets that you already hold, already love, or want exposure to. Yes, you can use it for your lifestyle. You can use it to pay your car payment. You can use it to buy food, cash flow, an energy drink, White Monster, Chipotle addiction. Listen, I get it. I get it. But if you can keep it inside the portfolio and let that compound for you, even at these shit APRs right now of 52%, you're getting an extra 50% of your bag. If you have 50K, that's an extra 25 grand over the course of a year. And that's if APRs stay down. We are at low APRs. This is when it's not exciting. This is when you're seeing a lot of marketing, a lot of people compressing ranges, or a lot of people that don't understand the longer picture, the bigger term picture, tightening their ranges to get back to 10% a month. I don't need any fucking 10% a month. 50% a year is fantastic on the proper ranges I want to run. 80% wide, 100% wide. This is what I'm talking about. Actually be in the game. I'm in the game with you guys. I'm not out here just showing you a screenshot and then selling you a course, this and that. I'm teaching you how to build a long-term system. The 10K Fast Track, the link is down below. When you work with me, it's not some fucking course. I'm working with you one-on-one to design a portfolio with the assets you hold that will work for you long-term and give you the best that your portfolio can give you. The full flywheel being the best strategy, where this is coming from a place of borrowed capital. You have like, let's say 20, 30K of Bitcoin. You can borrow 10 grand of USDC against it. You throw it into LPs and then you start cash flowing. When Bitcoin goes up, when the market moves up, these pools appreciate. All the asset to asset pools go fucking nuts. Your Bitcoin's doubling, tripling in price and you're getting cash flow the whole time. APRs come back like crazy. And then G freaking G. You made shit tons of money. But too many people, they're falling for the trap. They need as much money as possible today. Too risky of assets, too tight of ranges, will fuck you. It'll fuck you. If you're running liquidity pools and they're asset to stablecoin and it's not off of borrowed capital, it'll fuck you. It'll fuck you guys. I'm telling you, I've been in the game for long enough to know better. And I want each and every one of you to succeed. And you only need $10,000 to start making a meaningful income. When I was 21 years old, working at the freaking gym, $400 a month would have changed my life. I was making like, what, 2-3 grand a month when I was a kid? Maybe. Before tax? Like $2,400 a month, maybe? And then you have rent and food, and in today's world, imagine if you're making $3K a month right now from your job. In today's world, how do you even afford to freaking live? Shit's getting expensive, right? Invest every dollar you have into what you believe in, monetize it to make you more money, and you won't have to worry about what these costs are anymore because it doesn't freaking matter. You're designing the life that you want. You're putting your money to work for you. I'm gonna end my screen recording here real quick. Like I said, my uncle, he retired off dividend stocks. He did sales for a long freaking time. Did sales, made a bunch of money. Him and his wife invested everything. Very, very tight with their money. But they've gotten to the point in life now to where when they're buying stuff, it's only being bought from the income from that dividend stock portfolio. That's the game they chose to play. And they saw it through. They weren't buying and burning money on stupid shit at the beginning. They buckled down and they lived modestly while they were both making good incomes. And this is the same game, but at like 10x the pace. You're getting 52.7% APR blended return on this portfolio right now. You get an extra 50% of your portfolio a year, and that's while crypto yields are low. The power in this game, if you can run this game long term, is absolutely insane. And you need to get involved today. On-chain. If you own the crypto, get involved on-chain. Use the blockchain that the crypto is built to be on. Start exploring the ecosystems, the protocols. Learn how to stake, learn how to lend, learn how to run freaking liquidity pools, and monetize your portfolio and have it work for you. That way, 2 years down the line, 5 years down the line, you let the system do its thing. Your bags, an extra 50% every year, if not 100, 200%, depends on where the yields go. And that's outside of appreciation. The way everything compounds is so insane. And so I need you guys to zoom out and think about what's best for your portfolio, because when you're doing something like this, you're not worried about timing the tops. And if you do sell the top and re-enter at the bottom, running our proper strategies with proper ranges, you end up investing so much more capital over the long run. Imagine you sold all your Bitcoin and all your liquidity pool positions when Bitcoin was at 125, because your pools were going out of range, you exited. You waited for 70K Bitcoin was my first buy, big buy back in, a little too early. Big buys down at 62 as well. You arbitrage that whole dip. You start the game over again. You run those bags up. You make so much money. And it's an enjoyable game to play. And you don't care if the market goes sideways. You don't care if the market goes down, because you're making income off of your assets. They're working for you. You focus on your passions, your dreams, your career, your job. You make your life what you want it to be. You buckle down, work hard, work your ass off, invest your ass off, let your assets work their asses off for you. That way in 10 years, whatever, down the line, your crypto portfolio pays for every single thing you want and need in your life. If you're just getting started and you have $10,000, you'd be making $400 or $500 a month. Pretty low risk, very modest assets, modest ranges, putting your assets to work. Don't cut yourself short and buy stupid assets, take crazy risk, or run tight ranges. Do it right, set yourself up long term. Put your portfolio to work to where it grows itself. Don't extract the money if you don't need it. If you have an emergency, cool, $400, you can buy it, right? Something pops up, $400 or $500 a month in cash flow, cool. Put it where it needs to go. I understand. But if you can let the portfolio compound back into the flywheel that you run, and you can see the bigger picture that I've been trying to paint for you guys to do the best thing possible for yourself, your future, and your portfolio, which by proxy extends to every future fucking kid or wife or anyone that you ever fucking have in your life, this is the only way to fucking play it. As always, guys, that link is down below. Click it, book a call with me. We'll get started working together, and I will get you to optimize your portfolio for the best cash flow long term, so you can make money each and every day for the next years to come, compound your portfolio for free, and build a sustainable lifestyle off of the cash flow that the assets you already own and love are generating for you. Guys, peace out. I'll see you in the next YouTube video.